Hello dear fans. How to increase torque. Torque is the degree of rotational force exerted on any rigid body. This value is directly proportional to the force rotating the body and its shoulder. The shoulder of the force is equal to the radius vector drawn from the axis around which the body rotates to the point of application of the force. Necessary: ruler, goniometer, protractor, dynamometer, tachometer. Instructions. Step 1. Define a point or axis of rotation for a rigid body. Find the point to which the force F is applied and its direction. Draw a straight line between the axis of rotation and the point of application of the force, and measure its length L. This will be a shoulder of strength. Using a goniometer or protractor, measure the acute angle alpha between the force vector and the shoulder. Step 2. Measure the force value with a dynamometer in newtons. The torque is equal to the product of the force on the shoulder and the sine of the acute angle between them m equals FL sin alpha. To increase the torque n times, increase the force acting on the body by the same amount. If this is not possible, increase the length of the shoulder. If possible, increase the sharp angle between the shoulder and the force vector. Please note that the maximum torque will be at an angle alpha equals 90 degrees. Step 3. Increase the engine torque by varying the power output. Find this value in the technical documentation for the engine or measure it in kilowatts. Use a tachometer to find the engine speed in RPM. The motor torque will be the product of power times 9550 divided by the frequency. Step 4. Increase the torque by increasing its power. How many times the power can be increased, the torque will also increase so many times. If it is not possible to increase power, reduce the engine speed using the gearbox. Step 5. Increase the motor torque. It is directly proportional to the magnetic induction of the external magnetic field in which the motor winding rotates and the strength of the current that flows through it. Increase the motor torque by increasing the amperage in its windings. Do not exceed the rated current, otherwise the motor winding will burn out. If the rated current is reached, take a more powerful permanent magnet or increase the magnetic induction of the electromagnet, which creates an external magnetic field, by increasing the current in its winding. This will make it possible to increase its torque. Thanks for watching.